This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to act on 2 requirements right now. Make sure the songs are DRM-free or purchased, and authorize this computer in Music or iTunes. Once done, plug in a USB drive formatted XFAT or FAT32 so it works with cars and players. Next, open Music or iTunes and locate the tracks you'll export. If songs aren't downloaded, click the cloud icon to fetch them. This gets you to the first actionable state: files visible and ready for conversion or copying. If files are in Apple's protected format, or you prefer universal playback, convert them to MP3 or AAC using File, Convert, Create MP3 version, or Create AAC version. You do this because many devices won't read Apple-protected formats. Once converted, right-click each track and choose Show in Finder or Show in Windows Explorer to reveal the real audio files. Make an artist and album folder on your desktop. Move the files there and double-check playback locally so you don't copy broken files to the USB. Now drag your artist/album folders onto the USB drive and wait until file transfers finish. Once complete, you safely remove or eject so the file table updates, then unplug. Test the drive in the car or player and verify songs play and metadata is correct. If the device doesn't read the drive, reformat to XFAT or FAT32 and copy again. If specific tracks refuse to play, they may be DRM protected. Make sure you use purchased or DRM-free copies, or repurchase DRM-free versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.